If you're planning a new home, an accurate quote can be the difference between a dream build and a living nightmare.
Should I move my hands around a bit, or you reckon it looks right?
My name is Matthew Tullipin and I'm a director at Valletta Homes. We offer a free locked-in quote on 70+ premium customisable home designs. Sometimes you're not actually comparing apples with apples. You might get a lower price from another builder, but it's missing all these things that we've taken into account. You might get told a lower figure based on a flat site when your site's actually sloping. From there, that's when the cost can sort of blow out. We have extensive experience with sloping sites, knockdown rebuilds, and bushfire requirements. We'll try and get that information up front and include it in our first initial tender. That's a perfect example of why the cheapest quote isn't always actually the best, because some builders are actually buying work, trying to get deposits up front. We actually won't sign contracts until we're ready to commence on site. We'll tender it with either our standard inclusions, or if you have a spec that you're after, we can include all that in a fixed price quote so you know exactly what your home's going to cost. Builder-led guidance from the start gives you clarity and guidance on what suits your block, budget and goals. We're supported by in-house staff, office contacts and one supervisor from start to finish. People building with other builders have had up to 3, even 4 supervisors during their build period, and yeah, it just sort of makes a bit of a mess. Yeah. That's a big difference between us. I'm not just a guy on the tools all day and I can't answer your phone call or I can't reply to your email. There's always a team in the office working full time to answer any questions or queries or make any amendments clients have throughout the day. This creates faster progress, clearer communication, and a more consistent experience. Single-story builds can average 6 months compared to other builders who take 10 to 20 months for the same process. All the products we install are bought through Australian suppliers and retailers, which means that you're going to get a good warranty backed by an Australian-based company. We offer a more premium finished home that you'll feel proud to own. Get your free locked-in build quote today.